Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 12th question, yesterday sent picture. That's on,
Yes, ma'am. That 12th.
A
And
two-digit number is such that product of its digit is 20. Product of the digits is 20. So that means digits are x and y. X is at tens place and one's digit is y. So product xy is equal to 20. And then if 9 is added to the number, the digits interchange their place. So what is the number? Original number is 10x plus y. New number which is obtained after interchanging the digit is 10y plus x. So when 9 is added to a number, so 9 plus 10x plus y, then the number get interchanged. That's it. So 9y minus 9x is equal to 9. So y minus x is equal to 1. Now use the substitution method because here we have a product, so we cannot use elimination method here. So y is equal to 20 by x. So 20 by x minus x is equal to 1. You will get the quadratic equation. 20 minus x square by x is equal to 1. 20 minus x square is equal to x. So 0 is equal to x square plus x minus 20. So quadratic equation, middle term splitting. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. X into bracket x plus 5 minus 4 into bracket x plus 5. So x plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. So number cannot be negative. So x is equal to 4 is the answer. So x is 4. Y is 20 by 4. That is 5. So number is 45. Clear?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and I also have doubt in the 9th one.
Ma'am, in
Two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of digit. Two-digit number is, always remember that xy is not a number. 10x plus y is the number. Number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of the digit. The sum of the digit is x plus y. 4 times of this is 4 into x plus y. Plus 3 is equal to number. So what is the number? 10x plus y. This is one equation. And if 18 is added to the number get reversed. 10x plus y is a number. In that, if you add 18, you will get the reverse number, that is 10y plus x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had doubt in the 16th one. Where I was
Yes,
not
ma'am.
getting the equations.
Yes, ma'am. 16th one even I had doubt, ma'am.
Oh, what is that one? Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. That is x by y is equal to 5 by 6. 8 is subtracted from each number. X minus 8, y minus 8. Ratio will become 4 by 5. That's it. Cross multiply and find the answer. Use the method of substitution or elimination, anything you can use.
Ma'am, but in that case, the method of substitution is easier, right?
Yeah, you can do that substitution.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Any other doubts anyone has? Then next questions. Till 11, yesterday we have finished. The next number, next quick question. Ankur, equation.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, 1, 2, uh, so let x be the numerator
Huh?
and y be the denominator.
Okay.
So x plus 1 by,
Numerator is x and denominator is y.
so x plus y
X plus y.
plus 1, sorry, x plus 1
X plus 1.
by y plus 1,
Y. Subtract 1, no?
y minus 1,
1 minus 1.
then
Fraction reduces to 1, not by 1. So it is 1.
and 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2 equals x by y plus 1.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Then cross multiply and find the two equations. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. X minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1 and then subtract these two equations. You will get the value of x and y. And you have to calculate the fraction. So you have to write in the form x by y. Fraction is x by y. So you write in the form of fraction. If you don't write the last answer in terms of fraction, then you will lose mark. Everyone start doing this. Saptashi, what you're doing?
This one only, ma'am. Ma'am, is x equal to minus 1 by 3, ma'am?
X is equal, x is the whole number you should get.
Oh, okay.
Three, x is equal to 3.
I got X.
3. X is 3 and y is
I'm getting y is minus 5.
No.
I mean, oh sorry, plus 5.
3 plus 2 is 5. 5. Y is 5.
Yeah,
So the fraction will be
um,
3 by 5.
uh,
Ma'am, I'm getting y is equal to 1.
How? You're not doing calculation properly. Every time you are getting wrong answers.
Ma'am, what are the answers?
3 by 5.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
yes, ma'am.
Shilia, are you getting?
Ma'am, 3 and 5, ma'am.
Yeah, x is 3, y is 5.
Yes, ma'am. I got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next one. Cycle code. We have to make
Ma'am,
it
percentage of Sonu is X and percentage of Nuri is Y.
who is? Sonu is x. Okay. And Nuri is y.
Y. So 5 years ago, Nuri's age was X minus 5 and Sonu
5
was
years ago.
X minus 5 and Y minus 5.
Hmm?
Nuri was, so 3 into X minus 5 is equal to Y minus 5. And then the second equation is X plus 10 and Y plus 10. So y plus 10 is equal to 2 into X plus 10.
Y plus 10 is equal to 2 into x plus 10. Okay, right. Solve these two equations and find the answer of x and y. So first equation, you have to make it simple.
Ma'am, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 50, ma'am.
20 and 50. Yes, right.
Yeah, same.
Ma'am, x is equal to 20, right?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, can you tell the X and Y values?
X is 10, I got 20 and y is 50.
Yes, ma'am. X is 10 and Y is 15. I mean 20.
Yeah. X is 20 and Y is
X is
15.
20. Yes, ma'am. By mistake, I told 10.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Good. First time you got the answer. The next question. Sum of the digits of a 9-digit number is 9. That is 2-digit number. Today, yesterday itself, you have done homework. Nishant? Nishant. Nishant H.
Equation
Yeah.
10x 10x plus y equals 9.
No. Sum of digits. What are the digits for 2-digit number? You will take it.
Tens and units
Tens place and ones units place.
plus
So tens places, digit is
x
x and y
y.
ones places. So the sum of these digits is 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So
X plus y
x plus y is equal to 9. This is
9.
first equation. Then
9, 9 into bracket x plus y.
no. Now 10
No,
times this number.
9 does
Number will be
9.
no. 9 times the number. Number obtained by using these digits. What is that number?
10x plus y.
10x plus y. So 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by
10
reversing the digits.
10y plus x.
10y plus x, right? 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 into 10y plus x. So solve these two equations. 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. So it is 88x is equal to 11y. 8x is equal to y. So substitute this value in this equation.
Ma'am, is the number 18, ma'am?
Number 18 is right.
Yeah, ma'am, 18.
Next, Ananya, next answer, equation.
Um, so so let the rupees 50 notes be X.
Number of 50 rupee notes.
Yeah, number of 50 rupees notes be X. And number of 100 notes be Y. plus y is equal to 25. And
Total amount is 2000. How to find out the amount?
Mom, can I try?
50 rupees X notes are there. So what is the total count? Total amount?
total amount would be
50 rupees, 2 notes you have. So what is the total amount you have?
so it'll 100.
100. Then X notes are there. Then how much is the amount? If you have 2 notes, what is the total cost?
It will be 100 rupees. Like
10 notes?
10 notes would be 500.
20
Yeah,
notes?
20 notes would be like 50 into 20 basically.
So if there are X notes, then
Okay. 50x plus 100x
100Y.
100y is equal to 2000.
Ma'am, is number of 100 notes 15 and number of 50 notes 10?
Let me check. Even I got the same answer. Okay. Yeah, 10 and 50. 10 and 15.
Ma'am, y is equal to 15 and x is equal to 10, right?
Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am, even I got it.
Even I also got it.
Okay, good. The one is not there today. Vanika, next question, try.
Ma'am, so the charge for the first 3 days can be X. No, wait. Ma'am, the charge for the first day is X, and then
Fixed
charge
for
after
3
that
days.
for first 3 days, ma'am, it can be considered as X,
Charge
and then
for 3 days is equal to
it can
X.
X, and then after that, after 3 days, it will be Y. So fourth, fifth, after that, it will be Y after 3 days.
Charge per day. Charge per extra day
Is
is equal to
Y.
Y. Then
So she paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So 3 3x
no, for 3
plus
days, fully for 3 days we have used X rupees.
okay, so x plus 4y is equal to 27.
Okay.
And then uh, so x plus 3y is equal to 21.
2Y. Yes, 5 days.
Plus,
Out of 5,
oh
3 is
yeah,
done.
yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah. So x plus 2y is 21.
Yeah.
So you have to calculate after this.
Yes.
ma'am, extra charges rupees 15 and per no, Fixed charge is rupees
Fixed charge
15.
is 15 and charge
Extra
day will be rupees 3.
3.
Okay, good.
Mom, so charge per extra day is 3, right?
Yeah.
Yes, mom. I got it.
Fixed charge is 15 and the charge per per extra day is rupees 3. X is 15 and Y is 3. Next, Mithun. Next question, try. Mithun. Next question.
Mom, yes, ma'am. Uh, Mom, the tickets for Malleshwaram is X and the tickets for Yashwantpur is Y.
Okay.
2x plus 3x is equals to 46.
2x plus
Plus 3x, 3y, 3y
is equal to
is equal to 46.
hmm,
Another equation is 3x plus 5y is equals to 74.
solve these two questions.
uh, the Yashwantpur, that means Y is equal to 10, rupees 10.
Hmm?
X, that means Malleshwaram, is rupees 8.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer again?
X is 8 and Y is 10.
I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the next answer, I got the food per day. So X is rupees 30. And the fixed charges is 400 rupees.
yes, right. Hansika, next question.
Ma'am?
Hansika, next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Equation.
Okay, ma'am. So the fixed charge can be X and the remaining charge can be Y.
Fixed charge is equal to X and the per day charge, no?
Yes, ma'am. Why? So then x plus 20 is 1000 and
X
x
plus 20 y.
yes, ma'am, is 1000 and x plus 26y is 1180.
Okay. Nishan D, next question. Nishant, next question. Nishan D,
Yes, ma'am.
next question.
19th one, ma'am.
Yeah, 19th one.
Ma'am, numerator, we can take it as x.
Numerator is x, okay.
Denominator, y, ma'am.
Denominator y. I'm writing here short forms. You're not writing in the exam. Otherwise, you will lose marks, everyone. Then equation, first equation.
Ma'am, y is equal to 3x minus 3.
Y. The fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator.
Oh, okay. X minus 1
X minus 1.
and 1 by 3. Y is equal to 1 by 3.
By y is equal to 1 by 3. And the next one?
Next one.
It becomes 1 by 4
X.
when 8 is added to its denominator.
X by y plus 8.
Y plus 8 is equal to
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Fraction is 5 by 12.
5 by 12. I don't know. Let me check.
Ma'am, I got 5 by 12 as a fraction.
Me too, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, 5 by 12 is the answer. Next question.
Ma'am, for the next one, I got x is equal to 15.
X is equal to 15, yes, right. Okay, so this equation done. 5 by 12 is the fraction. Then next question. Now here onwards some
Mom,
more questions.
can you say?
Yes? Yes, Mithun?
19th one answer, ma'am.
19th 5 by 12.
19th one answer, ma'am. 5, yes, ma'am.
5 by 12 is the answer. Now the next question. Next question. Now here onwards questions are important. These are most commonly asked. From this onwards, all questions are very important. Till this are very easier. Now here what Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answers and losing 1 mark for each wrong answers. So that means here how many questions were there in a test. So you have to consider the correct answers as X and wrong answers considered as Y. So for each correct answer, he is getting 3 marks. So how much is the marks he will get?
3x.
3x. And he will lose 1 mark for wrong answers. If he has Y wrong answers, so how many marks he will get for wrong answers? Y into 1 is Y. But he is losing. So therefore, we need to subtract 3x minus Y. And the total marks he got as 40 in the first case.
40.
And in the second case, if the 4 marks will been awarded for each correct answer. So that means the total marks he gained is 4x. And how much is reduced? 2 marks
2y.
been deducted for incorrect answer. That means minus 2y is equal to total he get the
50.
So here don't forget to do subtraction. I have seen students doing addition every time. However time I'm telling them, they are doing its addition. So don't do that mistake. You people don't do that mistake.
Y equals 15 and X equals 20.
Yes, right. Y 15, X 20.
Ma'am, can you just repeat the answer again? The values of X and Y.
X is 15, Y is 5.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
But the question, what is the question? How many questions were there in the test? So total questions is equal to 15 plus 5. That is 20. Now everyone completed that part? I need to explain this question. This is very important question. And explanation is somewhat different. Anisha, have you solved this question?
We'll take the speed of car A at X kilometer per hour.
What is the equation you got? You have solved
Okay.
this?
Ma'am, I tried, but I don't know if it's correct. I got the equations as, got the second equation as X plus Y equals 100. I mean, I'm not sure this one.
Okay. Okay, listen everyone now. Very clear with this question. This is an important question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So first case we will consider. So suppose first thing is we will consider speed as X and Y. What are the speeds of the two cars? So we will consider speeds as X and Y. Speed of car A is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of car B is equal to y kilometer per hour. Now the case 1, they are moving. So here is A, this is B, this is A and this is B. The distance between them is 100 kilometers, right? Now from A, one car starts and from B, the second car starts. And they will meet, means when they will meet only after B, no? So here somewhere they will meet. Suppose that is point C. So they will meet at point C. So here and here they will meet, right? So A has to travel how much distance? AC distance A has to travel, and B has to travel how much distance?
BC.
BC. Okay. So now you have to calculate how much is the distance travel and how much time after that they will meet? After 5 hours. So we have to calculate the distance covered in 5 hours. So distance covered in 5 hours. Now by A, how much is the distance covered? That is AC, which is equal to, distance is equal to, formula, distance is equal to
Speed by time.
Speed by
Speed
time.
by time.
speed by time.
Speed into
Okay,
time.
sorry, speed into time.
Speed into time. Speed is x, time is 5. So it is 5x kilometers. And by car B is equal to, it will cover distance BC, and that is equal to 5y kilometers. Right? Now what is the relation between AB, BC and AC? What is the distance relation between AB, BC and AC?
Equation.
Relation between
AC
AB distance, BC
AC
distance
is
and
equal to BC plus 100. BC plus AB.
AB plus
plus
BC
BC
is equal
equals
to
100.
AC. What is AB distance?
100.
100. BC is
5y.
5y. And what is AC distance?
5x.
5x. So divide every, first take 5y on that side. So 100x is equal, 100 is equal to 5x minus
Minus
5y.
5y.
Divide everything with 5. You will,
X minus y is equal to 20.
so this is the first equation. Clear?
Ma'am, I had a doubt. Why are we taking why are we taking case 1 and case 2 again?
Because they're once they have moved in the same direction, and the second one they are moving in the opposite direction.
Oh, okay.
Case 2, the cars are moving towards each other. At that time, now here it is A point and this is B point, which are 100 kilometers apart. Now A is moving towards B and B is moving towards A. So they will meet somewhere. So that means at point C, they will meet. So how much is the distance covered by A? Is AC distance, and B will cover BC distance. And how much time they are taking to meet each other? It's 1 hour. So in 1 hour, distance traveled by A is distance traveled by A is equal to AC. That is distance into time. Sorry, speed into time. Speed is x. X into 1 is x kilometers. And distance traveled by car B is equal to BC. That is equal to how much kilometers? How many?
5 kilometers.
1 kilometer. Now what is the relation between AB, BC, AC? Relation AB,
equals
BC
to
and
AC
AC.
plus
AC
BC.
plus BC is equal
C is
to
equal
AB.
to
What is AC?
X.
X.
C.
Y.
Y
Equal
is
to
equal to
100.
AB. 100, yeah, sorry.
Then solve these two equations. You got the two equations now. Clear how to solve?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All these steps you have to write.
I'm 60 and
Ma'am, can you scroll up a little?
So write all the steps properly.
Ma'am, this is for how many marks, ma'am?
3 marks.
Yes.
ma'am, x is 60.
60 and 40.
40y. I mean, y is 40.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got x as 40 and y as 60.
No, reverse you got. X is?
40 and y is 60.
No. X minus y is 20. No, so x should be greater.
Okay.
Can you scroll down?
Yes, ma'am, got the answer.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next question. Area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. So now here in such cases, what you have to find out, they are asking to find the dimensions of the rectangle. So we will consider the length of the rectangle as x, original one, and the breadth as y if you consider. Then what is the area? Original area. That is equal to x into y, right? Now first condition, what they have given, if the area will get reduced by 9 square units. So xy minus 9. If, what will happen if the length is reduced by 5? So what is the length? X minus 5. Area is equal to length into breadth. So new length is now x minus 5 and new breadth is increased by 3. So y plus 3. So y plus 3 into, so this is length, this is breadth, and this is area. So if the length is decreased by 5 and the breadth is increased by 3, the area is reduced by 9. So this is the new area, xy minus 9. Because the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9. So xy minus 9. So we have to simplify this question. That is the first equation. Second equation now, if we increase the length by 3 units. So length is x plus 3 and breadth by 2 units. So we are increasing the breadth by 2 units. What will happen? The area increases by, not 2. So it is by 67. So xy plus 67. If it is increased to and increased by has a different meanings. Increased to 67, that means it is only 67. But if it is given that is increased by 67, that means in original value, you have to add that value. And then solve the two equations. Xy minus 9 is equal to xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15. So this xy and this xy get cancelled. So you will get 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Minus 15 go other side, plus 15. Plus 15 minus 9 is plus 6. And here also xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. So xy get cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. This is the second equation. Then solve these two equations.
Could you explain how you got those equations again?
So here what they have asked, length and breadth are changed. By how much? In the first case it is changed. Length is reduced by 5 units. So x minus 5. And the breadth is increased by 3 units. So y plus 3. And we know that is length into breadth. That is x minus 5 into y plus 3. Now what happens to the area? This is a new area. So how much happens to the new area? The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. So that means original area minus 9. So original area was 9. Original area is xy minus 9. And the same way the second equation.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I get it. I got it. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, when I was doing it for school, my teacher explained something else. I forgot what, but I didn't get it. That's why.
Okay. Now you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, length is 17 and width is 9.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, what is the y value?
Y is 9. X is 17.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, I got length is 17 and breadth is 9.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, it's Y9.
Yes, right. Why 9?
And what are the answers?
17 and 9.
9 I got. I don't know. I have done some mistake, ma'am. I got 13.
No, 17. Do calculation properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, x is equal to 17, ma'am.
Yes. Mm.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Completed everyone? The next
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
question will finish. Leave. This is very important part. Again, these questions are actually asked most commonly. Now here upstream and downstream questions you might have solved in earlier classes. Now upstream means against the speed. Downstream means along the speed, stream. So here you have to consider what they have given, determine the speed of the stream and boat in a still water, the speed of the boat. So here very carefully the initial steps will remain same every time in case of upstream and downstream questions. You are considering the speed of a boat in still water. Has to be considered as x kilometer per hour. And speed of the river, that is a stream. Speed of stream you have to consider as y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now you have to calculate downstream speed. So speed of a boat in downstream. Downstream means along the stream. So if the boat is going along with the river in the direction of the stream, that means stream is moving in the same direction if the boat is moving, then what will be the speed now? If the boat's speed is the in still water is x, so that means the speed of
Ma'am, is it
actual speed of the boat is x, and the speed of the river we consider, then it is y kilometer per hour. Then what will be the downstream speed?
ma'am,
Downstream
is it
means
x
along the
plus
direction.
ma'am, is it x
Ma'am, is
plus
it
y?
XY?
X plus y, because both are moving in the same direction, so speed get increased. So speed increased by sum of it. So x plus y kilometer per hour, and upstream speed is against the stream. So river is going downwards and you are going upwards. The boat is going upward. That means the speed of the boat should be higher enough to move against the stream. So this means speed of boat should be high. That is x minus y kilometer per hour. Is it clear? Why x minus y? Because the speed of a boat should be much higher enough to move against the river. So therefore it is x minus y kilometer per hour is the upstream speed. Downstream speed is always x plus y. Then take the equations. Now you know that is total time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So this formula we are using to find out the total time. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. So total 10 hours it will take to go 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. So this means moving upstream, what is the time needed? Time needed to move upstream.
30 by the
upstream speed
minus y.
X minus y. And then downstream moving is 44 kilometer and downstream speed is x plus y. So this is the time taken to move upstream and this is the time needed to move downstream. That is equal to total time is 10 hours. In 13 hours, it will go 40 kilometer upstream. So 40 kilometer divided by upstream speed is x minus y and 55 kilometer downstream. So 55 by x plus y. Total time needed is 13. And then solve these two equations.
Mom, I didn't get why we divided by the speed.
This time is equal to distance by speed, no? Total time they have given.
Oh, right.
So distance is 30 kilometer and the speed is x minus y in upstream. 44 kilometer downstream. So 44 divided by downstream speed is x plus y. And this is the total time. So total time is equal to 10 hours. And then this method, that's type questions. 1 by x minus y is equal to a and 1 by x plus y is equal to b. That way you are solving this equation. LCM is 120. First write all those wordings, sentences, initial sentences.
Ma'am, is this the last question?
Yes.
B is equal to 1 by 11?
Yeah.
Mom, is A is equal to 1 by 11?
A is 1 by 5. B
Sorry, B. Yeah, sorry, yeah, my bad.
So after finding x and y,
A and B you calculated, then x and y only you have to calculate last answer.
yeah, so that's all right.
That's it, yeah.
Okay. I'm finished.
Mom, x is 8 and y is 3, mom.
Yes, 8 and 3.
Yeah, Mom, the same thing I got.
Yes.
Ma'am, 8 and 3.
Can I leave now?
Yeah, homework. Homework, exercise. RD, homework is from RD. 3.8. Question number 5, 6, 7. and 9 and 11.
That's all, ma'am.
No, one more. Then 3.9, 8, 9, 3.9, 8th, 9th, and 12, 13. It's 9 questions.
That's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Thank you, ma'am.
started quadratic equations, ma'am.
Ma'am.
What?
In our school, they started quadratic equations.